In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make unlimited free videos by combining AI agents with this new free open source tool called Hyperframes. Animated explainer videos, product videos, social clips for every platform, as many as you want, whenever you want, completely free. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing today, including the exact prompts, 4 of them from total beginner to full pro. By the end, this is running on your own computer. First, open Claude on your desktop. Click Code, then start a new session. Now make a brand new folder on your computer. That folder is where Hyperframes is going to live. Click Open Folder, then New Folder, and name it anything you like. When Claude shows your folder name right here, you're in. 2 quick settings. I set edits to auto mode, so Claude only stops to ask when something really needs my okay. And for the model, if you're on the Max plan, use Opus. If you're on Pro, pick Sonnet. It stretches your tokens further. Now the entire install. Type Install Hyperframes. Press Enter. That's it. 1 sentence. That was the whole install. No downloads to hunt for, no setup wizard, no config files. It just did it. Ready for your first video? Here's the beginner prompt. Create an 8-second landscape video explaining the health benefits of sunlight. Choose one strong animated visual metaphor that makes the idea instantly understandable. Keep it fast to render. 20 seconds of typing and out comes this. Stat cards, counters, a finished metaphor, all timed to its own voiceover. To watch your videos properly, type Launch Preview. A studio tab opens on its own and your video is sitting right there. Hit play. Here's the mindset. Your first version will not be perfect, and that's fine. You just tell the agent what you don't like in plain English, and it makes you a new version. Feedback in, new version out. Repeat until you love it. You never touch a timeline, and you never learn an editor. You just keep talking until it's right. Prompt 2. This one uses a built-in skill called faceless explainer, and it levels everything up. Using Hyperframes and faceless explainer, create a 30-second faceless explainer video about the health benefits of a high-protein diet. It shows you a storyboard first, and you get to change anything before it builds. Then it makes the whole video. Voiceover, animations, counters, charts, all of it. It wrote the storyboard, built every graphic, and synced the narration. Built free on your computer. Now the intermediate prompt, and this is my favorite, you feed it your own website. Using Hyperframes and website to video, create a 25-second cinematic product launch video from easyespy.ai. Capture the website's actual colors, typography, and brand feel. Notice how much I'm telling it here. The more specific you get about your brand, the better it comes back. Then turn it into a premium keynote-style reveal with animated zooms, 3 big benefit cards, clean voiceover, and a final call to action. I hit enter, and it reads the whole site on its own. Watch what it made. It pulled our navy, our blues, our fonts, our actual brand. Then it built the product screens, the benefit cards, and the call to action. I didn't design 1 pixel of this. And websites are just the start. You can feed it PDFs, podcasts, video transcripts, any information you have, and it turns that context into a video. PDFs in, podcasts in, meeting transcripts in, whole websites in. 1 finished video out the other side, every time. Last one, the pro prompt. Say you've recorded a raw talking head video, just you rambling at a camera. This prompt has Claude transcribe it, strip the filler words and false starts, and trim every long pause. Then it breaks your script into key concepts, picks a visual metaphor for each one, and syncs every graphic to the exact second you say it. It hands you a finished MP4 in whatever shape you filmed, vertical for shorts, wide for YouTube. That's a full video editor for free. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which prompt you're trying first, the Sunlight Starter, the Explainer, or your own website. There's a lot more coming on this channel. See you in the next one.